In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs voice typing. Imagine you've got a brilliant idea for a presentation, or you need to get your thoughts down without the hassle of typing. Google Docs voice typing is a fantastic tool for this, and I'm here to guide you through how to make the most of it. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Drive. So let's begin by signing into your Google Drive account. Head over to the Google Drive sign-in page. Once you're there, you're going to need to type in your email. Found that box? Great. Go ahead and type your email in there and click Next. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. This might sound like a basic step, but remember, ensuring you're securely logging in is key to keeping your work safe. After typing your password, hit Next again. Alright, we're in. Now navigate to the main page of Google Drive and click on the presentation you want to work on. If you've just thought of a fantastic idea and haven't created a presentation yet, it's no trouble at all to start a fresh one. Once your presentation is open and ready, move your cursor up to the toolbar and click on Tools. This is where the magic starts. Under Tools, you'll find the option labelled Dictate Speaker Notes. You guessed it, click on that. Now here's the fun part, you'll see a microphone icon appear. This is your go-to button for starting and stopping your voice typing. Click on the microphone icon to begin recording your speech. This tool is especially useful for converting your speech into text in real time, perfect for brainstorming or adding quick notes to your presentation. Go ahead, start speaking your thoughts. You'll see your words being transcribed as you speak. Make sure to articulate your words for the best results. Once you're done or need a break, simply click on the microphone icon again to stop recording. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Google Docs voice typing to add speaker notes to your presentations. This feature not only saves time, but also allows you to capture your thoughts fluidly and effectively. Remember, practicing will make the recognition software more accurate in understanding your speech patterns, so I encourage you to experiment with it. Thanks for tuning in, and happy dictating.